Inside the Email Blaster software is an app called Subscribe. It's a free app which you are welcome to use to create your own sign-up form. If you head over to the app section, you can check it out. Subscribe is really easy to use. You can quickly create your own GDPR compliant opt-in form ready to use on your website. There are a variety of display options available, so embed, floating, pop-up, page-specific and time delay. You can also set your form to be a standalone page. This is great if you want to use it on social media. You can also enable double opt-in, meaning that your sign-up form process remains free of automated bots and creates a GDPR compliant workflow. Setting your send from details inside your Email Blaster account is super easy. It's just click on the gravatar icon, top right of the screen and select Sender Profiles. From there, just click on the plus icon to create a new profile and enter your send from, reply to address, company name and office address. It's an important note that you need to use your company domain name here. So you can't use Gmail, Hotmail or other free email address providers. These domain owners don't permit their email addresses to be used for commercial email marketing. No. Email Blaster doesn't charge you to upload your own subscribers. You're welcome to upload as many subscribers and email lists as you need to. Our pricing is purely based on when you are ready to send out emails. We use email send credits. You can buy these on monthly or on demand. One email credit means one email. So if you send a campaign out to 1,000 recipients, you'd need 1,000 send credits. The Email Blaster software has a great app to make the creation of sending automated campaigns really easy. If you head over to the app section of the software, you'll see the Automate app. This is a free app for all monthly customers, or it's a paid bolt-on if you're pay as you go. You can use Automate to send a time series of emails to your new subscribers or send them an email on their birthday or on a specific date. With Automate, you can also send people different emails depending on how they interact with your previous sends. Segmenting your lists is a great way to target your subscribers with the right marketing message at the right time. Our software offers a number of different ways to achieve that goal. Inside the app section, you'll see List Builder. List Builder will analyze your previous sends and create custom sets based on your requirements. For example, you could ask for a list of all the people who received it but didn't read your mailer, or people who didn't click on a link, or maybe people who did click on a link. You can also segment your data using tags. Tagging can be done when you import a list or within an existing list. You can create as many tags as you need to allocate to those groups of people or individuals. People can belong to multiple tagged groups. You can also have as many tag groups as you want. You can then send campaigns either including or excluding tagged groups. Email Blaster handles all of this for you, so you don't need to delete people who've opted out or unsubscribed. Every email you send out will have a small unsubscribe link placed at the bottom, so you don't need to add your own. If people click on this link, they're tagged as unsubscribed inside the software and automatically excluded from your future sends. You can view any of your unsubscribes in either the list section or your campaign analytics. Much like unsubscribes, Email Blaster will automatically handle these for you. A hard bounce is automatically excluded from your data after a failed delivery attempt, and soft bounces are automatically retried and excluded after 2 failed delivery attempts. You can see bounced email addresses in either the list section, where they're tagged as bounced, or inside your campaign analytics. At Email Blaster, we don't charge you to upload your subscribers. Our pricing is based on send credits. To send out an email, you will need to purchase send credits. A send credit is one email. So if you have 500 contacts on your list and would like to email them all, you'd need 500 send credits. We offer 2 pricing models, monthly and pay-as-you-go. A pay-as-you-go account is included for people who want to send infrequently and want the freedom to just pay for sends when they want to use them. You just purchase the amount of sends credits you want and any apps that you want to use, and that's it. It's designed to be a menu pricing system, so you just pick and choose the options that you need to. A monthly account offers the most cost-effective solution. So this is perfect if you're sending emails every month. It's based on a 30-day rolling contract, so there's no long-term commitment. Monthly credits are discounted and all the apps are included as standard, so there's nothing additional to purchase. You can use the List Builder app to look at your previous sends and then compile a list of everyone who received your email but chose not to read it. You can set the app to create this new list inside the list section of your email blaster, making it really easy to set up a new send to all the people who maybe didn't read your mailer. You can also use the List Builder app to create lists of people who clicked links within inside your mailer. This is a great way to follow people up based on how they interacted with your sends. Yes, you can do this. The software will automatically create a web-based version of your campaign. So this is a URL which can be posted and linked to your social media feeds or your website if you want to post copies of your campaigns to these. To grab a copy of this URL, simply head over to the campaign screen, hover over your campaign tile and click on the magnifying glass. The slide-in panel will then contain a shareable link which you can quickly grab. If you are looking to get into email marketing, then you will need to verify your sending domain. Spam filters will insist that this is in place in order to send emails to any email network. It's very easy to do though, so you just log into the control panel of your domain name and create an SPF, DKIM and DMARC record. But it's just a copy and paste job, so you can copy and paste this from our documentation and we provide a handy PDF on how to get started. Gmail and other free address providers, such as Hotmail for example, do not permit their email accounts to be used to send email campaigns. They can block these and impose caps. The reason is that these email addresses are really only intended for low volume correspondence. To carry out email campaigns, you will need to use your own company domain name. Regarding your customers, as these are people that you already have a working relationship with and will already have received correspondence from you, then no, you don't need a fresh opt-in to continue to contact your existing customers. Even if you're new to Email Blaster, your existing contacts who you have supplied products and services with don't need to re-opt-in again. For all new contacts, these people need to have opted in directly with you. These would be people who are hearing from you for the first time. They need to have consented to receive your communications. Here at Email Blaster, we are a UK-based business. This means that our software, customer support, data storage and servers are all based here right in the UK. Our servers are wholly owned by us, so we don't lease them from other companies. When you upload your customer data into Email Blaster, it will live on one of our secure servers in Buckinghamshire. Yes, you can. Inside the app section of the software, you'll see a handy app called Spam Score. Now, this is a free app for monthly clients and will give you the ability to see how spam friendly all of the major inbox providers think your email design is. It runs a live check with all of the major service suppliers and will give you a report advising you of anything that you may wish to change and any spam key phrases that appear inside your mailer. So having the ability to do this really helps take the guesswork out of getting great inbox placement. You can clone any of your sent or unsent email designs. To do this, you simply head over to the campaigns tile, put a tick in the circle and head over to the actions menu and select clone. This creates a unique copy which you can then open in the email designer and make any edits that you need. So this really helps save time as you don't need to start a new design from scratch every time. You can create a series of networked Email Blaster accounts with the Reseller Manager and Reseller Client apps. So this is in the app section. Once you've got this set up, you can transfer content such as email designs, lists, sender profiles and send credits between accounts. Once you've set this up, you can transfer content such as email designs, lists, sender profiles, and send credits between accounts. You would nominate the main account to be the parent account. This account can then manage the client accounts via the control panel. This is a great way for your marketing team to have all their own accounts with unique logins, but be able to share content between them when they want to. You can do this and it's quick and easy. You can top up your account via the upgrade store from inside your Email Blaster account. You can purchase send credits online and they are immediately live and available to use. So if you run out of monthly credits and just need a boost to send out some more emails, then this is quick and easy to do. You can also control your monthly package online. You can move your regular monthly subscription up or down as needed. Package swaps take place on the 1st of each month, so just bear that in mind. Our software uses AI in a number of ways, allowing you to use as much or as little AI as you need to. When designing your email, you can use AI to curate the perfect copy text inside your email campaign and place it exactly where you want to. You can also use AI to create the perfect subject header line. This is a great way to find a new angle or fresh text. AI can be used to design or create your entire campaign if you want to. Simply provide some brief directions and AI will do the rest, sourcing images, text, putting your company logo in, and even your corporate colours. This is a great way to create a complete design within seconds. You can edit the design, so if your AI design needs a few tweaks before use, you can quickly do this. Your design does need to be optimised to display in the best viewing format for all screens, from 5-inch mobile screens to a massive 28-inch widescreen. The good news is the Email Blaster will automatically do this for you. Designs created inside Email Blaster's Design Builder will be created as a fluid design. So this means they will automatically rescale to provide the optimum viewing experience on any screen size. When you upload your data into our email marketing software, it's kept in an incredibly secure environment. We take our role as the data processor very seriously and will never forget the trust you are putting in us. All of our servers are owned and administrated by us. They live in a Tier 4 data centre in Buckinghamshire. Our network employs many physical layers of security and intrusion prevention. Servers are kept in locked steel cages and can only be accessed by nominated Email Blaster personnel. As a UK registered business, we are legally required to follow all aspects of GDPR and current data protection laws. So you have total peace of mind that your data receives the full protection of UK law. Getting started with your first email design is an easy process. Simply head over to the design editor, select a new design and start dragging and dropping elements in straight away. Simply populate your text and image box with your own content as desired. If you need a steer at any point, there's a huge library of help videos to quickly give you some on-screen tips of what to do. Also, we're always on hand if you need it. The software can't be used to send emails to people who haven't asked to receive them. The reason for this is that nobody likes to receive spam, and spam filters do a very good job at blacklisting people who do send out spam. So, in order to protect our clients from blacklisting and the reputation of our network, cold outreach emails aren't something that we permit. Now, we don't permit the usage of purchase lists or lists where the sender of the email is not the same as the company that generated the data. Whilst GDPR says it's perfectly legal to send this type of email marketing to businesses, as the owner of the software, this isn't something that we permit. The reason for this is that lists of this nature are typically very low quality and often result in a high number of spam complaints. These complaints can and often do lead to blacklisting of the sender by the spam filtering network. Also, as a marketing medium, they just don't work. The engagement rates are typically very low and the lists are often padded out with old and very old dead data. They really are best left well alone. There are much more effective ways to run your email marketing campaigns. When designing your email campaigns, whilst your content and design may change, you may have elements that stay the same or similar with every mailer that you do. So this could be your branding, header sections, footer sections, for example. With Email Blaster, you only have to create these blocks once. You can then select to favourite any block in your design. So this means that blocks would become available for use in any other campaign that you create. Doing this really helps ensure that your brand standards are consistent with each mailer. It also helps you save time by not having to repeat parts from scratch again and again that you're always going to use.